Hello, so New York Monday AM trade recap. Took two trades. It was around 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So pretty much saw price come into this. Overall, it was more bullish. I saw the draw being higher. 'Cause thought price was going to go higher, of course. I saw price come into the 7 a.m. macro. It took this hourly low here. Delivered an old fair value on the 5 minute. And I saw this really incredible move. We had this 2 minute inverse fair value gap that confirmed, and I like this for longs. So essentially, I went down into the 15 second here, and I took. It's a pretty poor setup. I got a bit too carried away with trends. Took this little inverse fair value gap here. Not this inverse fair value gap. I took the little 15 second CISD. I was very bullish at the time, and I was looking for pretty much a retest of this 2 minute inverse fair value gap for higher prices. Essentially, price just kept on repricing down. Ended that one off on a loss. It was very small R&R, but it kind of made sense. Seems like price was just in that kind of repricing mode down. We're hunting essentially London lows, maybe even Asia lows. Reversal probably wasn't going to happen till New York AM or New York Open, which 9:30. That's when essentially we saw price move up higher. But the other trade I took was a bit later. Not too much later though. It was another 5 minutes later. Saw a long around here. Essentially, I saw price kind of pick up these lows, take some more hourly lows. We're delivering in 1 hour fair value gap as well, and yeah, we're delivering 1 hour fair value. So essentially, I liked price to go higher. So on 30 second, I saw this little order block around here. Price kind of had this minor market structure shift around here, around 280. Once we saw another move higher and high volume, essentially, price formed another kind of CISD. Took an entry long. I was targeting these highs here, so maybe the stop was around 80. So it was still like a good 2-to-1 ratio trade, 2.5 maybe. We just came up here. I put my stop to break even and stop to BA. So that kind of made more sense. This one here kind of showed me just me being a bit more patient, even though it went against the overall kind of direction of price. It did give me a really high probability entry where it gave me the option to go break even because I was entering off good price action. But yeah, those are two trades. What we did later see is we saw that New York AM was the reversal higher. And one thing I'll say is I've kind of seen this profile over and over and over again. I've seen essentially on a Monday, you have New York AM that reprices lower, and then pretty much price won't reverse up, even though it's bullish, won't go up higher to take your weekly target until you come into the New York session. So yeah.